Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 7th May 2024. In this video, let us find the stocks that are supporting bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. So before generation, a small announcement please. We are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand all these training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. And if you click on this community tab at our NeoStock homepage, you will get into this page, and this post is having a link that will take you to the training videos. Click on this link, then you will get into a playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report, let us generate bullish trade setup for daily income trade. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. Because it is bullish trade setup, entry zone is demand zone. And the third bullish or bearish trade setup parameter we have, in this parameter 15 minutes time frame select. Because you are generating bullish trade setup, select the value bullish. Now you can generate the report, but we want to filter based on certain parameters, especially 3 parameters. The first parameter is we don't want pierced zones. Our entry zone should not be pierced. Entry zone. Entry zone is demand zone. That is what we already set. So in the pierced count, there is a parameter, the last parameter in this space. In 15 minutes time frame, because that is our entry time frame, select minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. That means the zone is not pierced. And the value is applied to your entry zone, demand zone, because you selected entry zone as a demand zone. Any parameter or any filter, that filter is applied to the entry zone. And the second filter is zone achievement. We don't want any zones not having other than VOZ. VOZ means violated opposing zone. So that means our zone should have a violated opposing zone achievement. And the last filter, minimum odd enhancer score, I want to set the value 12. Because for bullish or bearish trade setup, minimum odd enhancer score is 12. So with these filters, let us generate the report. So currently these 13 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. So you can pick up the stocks from this list based on your other requirements. So I'll be giving you only few seconds time and move on to the next report. Just pause the video and you can study these parameters. If you are not aware of how to understand this report, please complete our training lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. So I'm going back. Now for daily income trade, that is entry time frame 15 minutes. Now we are generating bearish trade setup. Bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And the 3 filters what we said, they remain same, but this time the filters are applied to the supply zone. Now let us generate the report. So these 6 stocks are filtered that are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Now let us generate a bullish and bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. First we are generating bullish trade setup, entry zone is demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, this time in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bullish, and let us set the 3 filters. The first filter, pierced count, The P-host count, this time for 5 minutes we are setting. The minimum value 0, maximum value 0. And the zone achievement we are selecting VOZ, violated opposing zone, and minimum order enhancer score we are selecting 12. So with these filters, let us generate the report. So these 5 stocks are filtered. So they are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. So entry time frame should be 5 minutes for hourly income trade. Entry zone should be supply zone for bearish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup in 5 minutes time frame, now I am selecting bearish. And all the 3 filters are same as what we said earlier, but this time the filters are applied to the supply zone. Now let us generate the report. So these 6 stocks are filtered. They are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. Now the final report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this is the daily ATR, and 5% ATR you have to use it for daily income trade, 3% ATR you have to use it for hourly income trade. First 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So I keep on scrolling this list down. I'll be giving you only few seconds time between each scrolling. So please pause the video when you want to refer any of your stocks. So I'm scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. I hope this information is useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.